Very nice evening. Myself, BP Vishwas. My channel is Vishwas 9943. Most probably, you may be seen in the screen as Explorer Vishwas. The most of the cases, I am trying to do the job on traveling portions or people and blog portions. Spiritually, I want to proceed with some science also. This is my general practice, but sometimes apart from all these things, I try to write some points on YouTube which are very much essential what I think. In course of my doing my job, sometimes I feel some problems and I am taking some suggestions from the other YouTubers also. They are passing their comments in the comment box. I go through and try to implement all these things. I extend my congratulations to all my YouTuber friends, those who are passing their valued comments in my comment box. Today I want to discuss on YouTube what is the difference between unlisted and private. And another portion is there, that is the public. At the time of unloading, you will see I am not going in the details. Everybody knows how to upload all these things. At the time of uploading the video in the YouTube, you will see 3 stages are there. What you want to adopt it: unlisted, private, or public. As well as the schedule portion is there. The specific time, if you like to do for publication, then you can adopt it also. By giving the public, you give the time frame or time slot in the schedule, accordingly YouTube organization will publish it. But today my discussion is oriented with only unlisted and private. When the purpose of the unlisted and the private is almost same, then what is the use of it? But YouTube authority has clarified, and I think it is the best one for analysis. First, I am going in private. What is private in YouTube? When we or you will upload the video in the your channel, if it is designed as private, then nobody will see it until and unless those people whom you have invited. Do you follow me? Nobody can watch until and unless you have invited some specific people. That is called the private. And in case of the unlisted, the almost same thing, the video will not be available in your channel until and unless if you give some your video link to others. Each video has their specific links, and if you send that link to anybody, he can only watch, nobody knows. But the very purpose, what I feel, either you have adopt the private or unlisted. But the most important thing, when we are uploading all these things, knowingly or unknowingly some incident has been happened, due to which your content or the video is coming under the scanner of copyright. It may be treated as very nice copyright tool in disguise. If you post in the or upload your video in unlisted mode or private mode, when it will be uploaded, whether the restriction in terms of copyright has been imposed or not, you will see. The restriction, no, then no copyright is there. So you are free from it, and then in there you upload it in public domain. I think the very purpose of unleashed or private will be served to judge the copyright pattern. Copyright is the most important thing, knowingly or unknowingly some incident is happening, and for which your video will come under the scanner of copyright, and unnecessarily the hazards is coming, and when it will be copyrighted, sometimes the owner of the copyright portions in terms of photo, music, anything, they are allowing, but the copyright is there now. Though naturally some hazards is coming, sometimes right organizations, they are blocking it. Naturally some problems will come. So just to avoid all these things, what I think the we should what I am trying to do, we should upload the video either in the mode of unlist or in the private, and so that you can judge it or judge your video which you are going to upload, whether it is under the scanner of copyright or not, in terms of restriction ahead. No means free from all. Thank you, and I will be happy if you go through all these things, and if you like it, but definitely I would expect that you would subscribe for the new viewers, and thank you. Have a nice evening.